Today we're going to brew PILLCOCAJA washed Typica. This coffee, I'm going to use the Origami coupled with the Seaberries filter and the Paragon. We are going for a ratio of 1 to 15, using 15 grams of coffee for 225 grams of water at 89 degrees. And we are going to chill the first third of the extraction. We're going to split the pour into 3 equal pour of 75 grams each. Classic washed coffee using their signature Typica, coffee that reminds us of oolong tea, or very floral and tea-like, melon and tropical, some macadamia nuts, and the sweetness that is closer to a meringue or lemon meringue. Pour is a 75 grams pour, quite high, chilled over rocks. Just make sure it's a little bit. And I'm always using my WDT tool to ensure an even saturation. This coffee can clog sometimes, so that's why I'm using here my Seaberries filter and with a slightly stronger ratio. 89 degrees Celsius in order to extract the floral notes of the coffee, because this coffee can be very sweet. It's a very elegant coffee, but if you want to highlight more that florality aspect, I suggest to use a slightly colder temperature. After my bloom, I'm going to remove my bowl and add another 75 grams of coffee. And my last pour at 1 minute 20 until 225. The key to get those delicate floral notes is to end your brew below 3 minutes. For this coffee, I'm using a grind size of 8 on my Ditting. That will be equivalent to 14 or 15 on your Baratza, 20 to 23 clicks on your Comandante. So we're good here, finished at 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So 3 pour structure of 75 grams each, a ratio of 15 grams for 225, the first 75 grams chilled, and then the remaining 150 normal. And here you really find a great balance between the floral notes, the tropical notes, and the sweet ones. Delicious. Very delicate, very beautiful. So sweet, refreshing, delicate. Enjoy.